In this video, we're going to show you how to upcharge an expense. So first, you want to go to the Task tab at the top, and then click on Task Center, and you want to click on Add Task. I'll write in a title, Door Repair, and of course you can upload files, write a description. I'll select 123 Main Street and Unit 1. And I'll also select a time and day for the work order. And you want to select the status as close, that way the system will make the entries on the worksheet for us. And then you want to select a vendor. I'll select the handyman, and then you want to click on work order. So for this example, let's say the original expense is $100 and $25 is the upcharge that will go to the property management company. So for the expense amount, you want to put the total, so the expense plus the upcharge. So in this case, it's $125. I'll select the expense row handyman, and then you want to enter in the amount that the vendor is getting. So the vendor is just getting $100, and we're keeping $25. And I'll show you how to enter that in later. So I'll click Save. Okay, so now we can see it was added here. Now let's go to the worksheet, property worksheet, to see the entry. Okay, so on 123 Main Street on the handyman row, we can see 125 was recorded. And if we go to the vendor balance history, we should see that being recorded on the handyman row. So we can see under April 125 expenses, $100 vendor payment, and we have $25 remaining here. And I'll show you how to get rid of this. So what you want to do is you want to create a general expense property. You would do that under the Properties tab, Property Center. And I already added one here, so I'll just go ahead and select General Expense. Okay, so what you want to do to get rid of the $25 under the vendor balance history for the handyman, you want to go ahead and record the amount. So in this case it was $25, and then you want to tie it to that vendor. So I'll click on the calendar and then click on Details, and you want to check mark this is a refund payment, and we'll say that the vendor name here is Handyman, and I'll click Save. Okay, so now it gets moved down here. We can see General Expense Refund. Now if we go back to the vendor balance history for the handyman, it now should be cleared out. Okay, perfect. So now we can see that it's just $100. We can see originally it's still $125 on 123 Main Street, but now there's a refund, so now it's just showing $100, and there's a $100 vendor payment. So now that's cleared out. We have an ending balance of 0. Now what we need to do is show that $25, the upcharge, is going to the property management company. So what we would do is we would record 25, click on the calendar, click on Details, and then you want to tie the property management company name as a vendor to show that you're still owed this money. And then you'd click Save. So that is how you'd record an upcharge on an expense.